More stocks on the deep. We have CHAI, RPGL, and PETS. CHAI down 30.56%. Let's see what's going on. The news here we have, I don't know whether this is fresh. It says the company announced a $5 billion global AI data center initiative targeting expansion in Malaysia and Uzbekistan with plans for multi-billion-dollar financing and government partnerships. Is it trying to dilute to raise some cash, to raise the funds for that? Let's see whether we can validate that news here on Thinkorswim. 3 hours ago, okay, try giving up its prior gain. Are trading higher after the company announced plans to develop vertical integrated a global network for AI data center. Okay, yeah, plans the same day. That news is validated here. Okay, yeah, it's valid. It's valid news. Let's see. Yeah. It spiked and then suddenly contracting as well. Fascinating stuff. Okay, let's see what we have in terms of its volume so far. How they are trading the stock. Current price is roughly 2.6. Aggression is there. It hasn't really traded that much, that many volume, that many shares so far. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, it is almost 10 times its average volume, so it is a big day. It's a big day, and it's currently liquid. It has that liquidity spread is tiny. Is yeah, we want the spread to be something like 1 cent. Okay. For some reason, it looks stalled. Nothing's going on. Has it been halted? It looks like it may have had a volatile session. CHAI. Okay, so in the this is the what 5 minute chart. It's not really going to be of much use to you by the time you watch that, so we're not going to talk about it. But we could take some projections here. It's saying here we have 4.63, 4.32, 4.98, 4.5.39. It printed 5.28 in this session, so it has had a highly volatile session. That's it here as well. The probability of it retesting that is not very high. Not very high. You can see this is where the moving averages are. The closer those moving averages are to the target, then the better. If it's higher than if the moving averages are greater than the targets, then you're looking at a probability that is greater than 50%. Let's come down to the daily chart to see what's going on. Yeah, okay. Underlying trend severely bearish. Lower prices are expected to keep printing at least up till the 25th of November. That after that, momentum might spike, so it might be a volatile few days ahead for the stock. Okay, let's see now. I think that news might be here as well. Yeah, offers. Okay, yeah, no wonder. Yeah, yeah, it's offering some $250 million in securities. Yeah, that's why it's down. I think they probably announced the news. Which one came first? Maybe one of those came first. We can just quickly glance at its 4 hour chart. Same as well. Lower prices, lower prices, lower prices. Projections are saying here 3.6, 3.76, 3.85. Yeah, just doesn't look active at all. Okay. RPGL. RPGL down for the 3.61%. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, okay. Highly volatile. You can see highly volatile there. 291.38 is the volatility, the historical volatility. Okay, so was it expanding? Was it contracting a previous expansion? RPGL. Okay. Yes, it's a contracting yesterday's expansion, or rather, it's been contracting the expansion that has been in place after bouncing from the lows of 1.09. So it seems to be contracting some expansion here. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we have, whether we can find projections anywhere. Yeah, intraday high yesterday 2.73. Yeah, 2.73. No, today, actually, as a matter of fact, today, no, yesterday, sorry, 2.73. That's an upper projection. And nothing here to the upside. 2.07. Okay, 2.07 is an upper projection currently. 1.75 is an upper projection as well. Slight upper projection. Let's look at the 2 hour chart. Okay, we have, let's see, earlier today we had 2.84, 3.16, 3.36. Let's see what the 1 hour chart. Okay, let's see what we have here. 1.63, 2.03, 1.82, 1.95, 2.14, 2.57, 2.86, 3.04. Okay. We've not seen any news, but we could have a look at Think or Swing to see whether there's any news here for it. Okay, halted yesterday due to halted on circuit break to halted on a circuit break to the downside. Okay, that was yesterday. Yeah. See it. No, this is we're looking for RPGL. Is it going to be here? It's one of the decliners. No news there. Yeah. CHAI. No, we've seen sorry, PETS. PETS down 31.72%. Intraday low $1.93. Okay, let's see. Everything looks stalled. Nothing looks like it's okay. Some shares, okay, are they going through at all? Okay, yeah, it's working. They're trading. Yep, these guys are trying to buy at a discount to the current price. Will it go through? There seems to be a stalemate. These guys want to exit, but nobody's willing to buy at their price. Yeah, maybe that's why. Okay, some have gone through on okay, at a higher price now. Okay, let's see. PETS. Underlying trends severely bearish. Okay, lower prices are expected to keep playing out up till Monday the 17th. Then after that, some consolidation before the downtrend resumes again, and then after that, some more consolidation. Okay, well, if anything, it's not extrapolated that it might bounce. Yeah, it's more of consolidation and decline. So the downtrend is expected to remain in place. Projections are saying 2.13, then down projections of 1.81, 1.61. It has had previous upper projections as high as 3.31, as high as 4.5, 4.59, 4.33, 3.91 as far back as early September. Okay, okay, Express sees second quarter sales of $43.4 million. Okay, what did I see there? See sales, okay. Yeah, this was okay. So this was their expectations, but they have now disclosed them. Okay, so that's what's going on. Have a look and see what you make of these stocks. Yeah, let's see. Let's see again. PETS. Oh, it's actually optionable. Yeah, let's see. There might be something there for option traders. Let's see. Given that it's not expected to do well, let's see what we have anytime soon. Okay, this is expiring next Friday. Highly risky, so don't don't take the risk if you can't. Yeah, and again, there's not really anything. There's not much involved here. There's nothing much that can be done. They're all expired and pretty much they've all there's not nothing left as such. But indeed, there's something here. People can do this. They can sell tons of these and then keep the difference. Sell and buy nothing. So you match. You sell and then you buy. So if you sell, you're not buying anything since it's zero. That is if the order goes through, and then um, yeah, and then they'll give you the yeah. For instance, if you want to sell 1,000 of these, this is going to be one contract is $5. So if you want to sell 8,000 contracts, then you get 5,000. And then obviously it's going to require that you have a decent amount of requirements. So if it works, if it once it goes through, you'll be credited with you'll be credited with $5,000. And then if by the 21st of November it expires out of the money, that if it doesn't get to $5, then you keep the $5,000. Okay, so there's something there, but highly risky, highly risky. Okay, see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.